I got a package from Valencia, California. Haven't, I kind of opened it, but I didn't really dig deep because I stopped in my tracks when I saw this. I was like, look at this big box with all of this stuffing, okay? Like, look at the size of this box and then look at this one. You could have just sent this by itself. Like, look at all, this is really thick. Like, it's my whole hand. It's really thick, like, I mean, is there glass in here? I don't know. But if there is, I'll understand. But, like, this is so wasteful. I don't need this, you know, especially it's coming from Valencia. It's not even going around the world. I'm in Palo Alto. It's, like, a couple hours. And the box is, like, you know, maybe they had a really bad thing happen before. I mean, I'm trying to be understanding, but, I mean, this is fine. There's no glass in here or anything. Maybe there is, but it's inside another pack, inside another pack. It's like, you know, it's a little bit crazy. This is really pretty. I love this color. Oh my God, look, we match. What are the odds of that? This was not planned. This is Alka Glam with vitamin C, a hydrogen moisturizing mineral spray. I have so many right now that I can spray it, but I'll definitely do like a giveaway or something. What the heck? There's little beads in there. Okay, what is this about? Rinse Alka Glam twice with filtered water before use. What? Just add filtered water to activate the mineral beads. Use before or after applying moisturizer, or post makeup to give the skin a dewy finish. Refillable up to 1 year. Moisturizes and hydrates. So this is different. It moisturizes, hydrates, creates pH balance. Perfect for traveling or carry-on. We use a mix of Adobe beads, which consist of powder extracted from crystals and minerals. Water mixes with mineral beads inside the device to create a mist that tightens and hydrates. Tourmaline, zinc, nano silver powder, calcium, magnesium, vitamin C, absorbic acid, bicarbonate. Animal cruelty-free product, alkaglam.com. And they have their little logo, like a little sticker here. I think that's kind of, I don't know, not my favorite. Like, I mean, pretty-wise, it doesn't do anything for me. It just says mineral spray. So maybe this is the founder. So you can use Brita Zero Water Filter Bottle Spring Water. Tap water should not be used since it probably contains chlorine that will shorten the life of the Adobe beads. So how? But that's just so crazy, right? I mean, very unique and different, and I really like the idea. These beads are added to neutralize the active oxygen in the filtered water to balance the pH in the water. Vitamin C to achieve a more uniform skin tone. Reduces redness. You might see that you might have a more even skin tone after a few uses. Hydrogen water, France and other mineral springs as well. France's and other mineral springs as well are different from ordinary water as it contains a higher amount of hydrogen. It has an extra hydrogen gel molecule, making it an antioxidant. Hydrogen water is replicated and the same minerals from the thermal spring water is used, all combining to create a soothing effect on the skin. So hydrogen water is currently the next big thing in wellness in Japan. Wear daily for a boost of energy. Really cool. I mean, I gotta try this. This is just super interesting. It's something that you don't see every day. You definitely don't see ever. I never have. I like that this kind of gave me all I needed to know on one little paper. you scan this. If you want another one, you order it like, I guess in a year. I don't know when I would order it for you. Don't think this is necessary because I don't understand why I get pictures of the product that you're sending me. That doesn't make sense because I have it right here. And it's cool how you styled it, but that should go like on a website. I think more other products that you have, or you know, more information versus just a picture. Especially when you just gave me the info here, and then I have the box with everything, so I don't need an extra piece of paper. But you know, it's okay. And it looks like I got 2 things, so maybe they just give you an extra one just in case. Very cool. I do like the bottle. It's super pretty, and like I said, it matches my outfit. Like, that's really cool. But I love this. I love this, and it reminds me of, like, I want to say Kim Kardashian has something like this, or like one of the Kylies. I don't know, Jenners. I don't know their names. I think that they have something very matte like this, but maybe I'm thinking of the Fenty thing too. It also kind of reminds me of that. But yeah, cool. I'm gonna try this once I get some filtered water. And so I just went and filled this up with water. It has little, it has a very little bit that I put in. Like, I started pouring it and then it overflowed. Like, there was barely any. But then little bubbles started coming up. I don't know if you guys can see this. There's little water bubbles, of course, like inside, in between these little rocks. And so I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna, you know, it doesn't really say how long to leave it. I think the directions maybe should say, you know, use this after you let them sit in the minerals for X amount of time, because I'll just feel like I'm applying water on myself. So I don't know. Let's see. Doesn't smell like anything. It's like water. I don't know. This is interesting. I'm not saying it doesn't work. I'm just saying, like, I feel like I sprayed water on my face. I don't know. Maybe it needs to sit in there for a little while. But it's funny because it's kind of cold because I had cold water and I put it in here. But it literally doesn't say, unless I'm missing the box and I skipped something. What does it do? How do I use it? Just add filtered water to activate the mineral beads. Use before or after applying. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. So it's apparently, this is it. I don't know. Maybe it'll work better in a little while. I don't know. It's interesting though. It's interesting. But yeah, just want to give you guys a little update.